Are you a new gardener and you need a little bit of help trying to decide, number one, what veggies to plant, and number two, when is a good time of the month to plant these veggies or start these veggie seeds? Hi, my name is Lula and this is Garden Hauling. And you know, these are good questions because planting your crops at the right time is so very important, because you don't want to plant them too soon and you don't want to plant them too late, because what will happen is they won't do well, they may die, and then you'll be left wondering, what did I do wrong, or am I a good gardener, when really it's all about timing. So in today's video, I want to show you some steps that you can take to prevent this from happening. Step number one is finding out what planting zone you live in. Once you find that out, then we'll move to step two. So I am going to go to my search engine to find my planting zone, and I am going to type in find my planting zone by my zip code, and we'll see what comes up. So I'm not going to get this one, but I am going to go to planting zones map, gardening zone by zip code. So I'm going to punch my zip code in there, 27530, which is the one for North Carolina, where I used to live, and this is Goldsboro. And so my zone would be 8A. Now that you found out what planting zone you live in, now you need to find a planting schedule for your area, and that will help you to stay on track. Okay, so we know what zone we're in, and we're going to type in the search engine, planting zone schedule for zone 8A. And you're going to type in the zone that you're in. So I see it up there, and I'm just going to click planting schedule for zone 8A. So one of my favorite sites to go to is sowtrueseed.com. So let's see if I can find that. Okay, so here we go. It says Zone 8 Monthly Garden Calendar, Chores, and Planting Guide. So this is the one that I'm looking for. So now let's take a look at this website. And I like this website because it takes you through a month by month schedule of things that you do around your garden, as well as planting things, and it goes all the way up to December. This site also focuses on flowers as well as veggies. One more of my favorite sites is marysheirloomseeds.com. She has a month-to-month planting schedule that will show you how to plant flowers as well as veggies. And you can either download the schedule, or you can get you a calendar and write everything that you want to plant down on your calendar, and that way you can stay organized. Hope this helps. So I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.